It's a competition. They do what they do with this small excavator. Pick it up the first side, the blue, put it right in the part over there where the gentleman are. Pick it out the white, and pick it out the red, and set the machine with the wall. So it got a 5 minutes to the computer, and some people doing two, one people there like 52 seconds. So it's very good. It's a real amazing event.
They make it look easy, but it is a little bit of a challenge to navigate in multiple dimensions with that hand-eye coordination. So our professionals make it look awesome, but it does take skill.